I'm going on a trip here soon and I'm so excited. I get to see my mom, but I'm an overpacker and packing is just the most miserable thing ever. So I got these packing cubes, and I have used packing cubes before, but they just don't work out as well for me. They're cheap, they're flimsy, not what I'm looking for. So I got this pack. As you can see, it comes composed in this one. If you can't tell, they packed their packing cubes in one. So if that doesn't tell you anything, then I don't know what does. So the first one I'm gonna pull out is this medium-sized one, and it has mesh and it's breathable. So that means nothing's going to sting, nothing's going to mess up or anything. So you have this medium one, and you just zip it like that, or I unzipped it, and then you have a handle. The next one that I pulled out is this little bit wider, longer one. This one, it says it's for your shoes, but you could put whatever you want in here. As you can see, it's a little shoe right there, so it kind of tells you what goes in what. This one, just probably for your toiletries or your makeup. The next that I have is this drawstring bag, so I would use this for my dirty laundry. Next bag, I have this wider bag. As you can see, again, it has that breathable mesh right there. I can fit probably my hoodies and sweatpants in this one. And then finally, I have a larger bag, a little bit bigger than the other one I showed you. They all have handles, which is really nice. And then you just have this bag right here. So you're getting a lot, and it was all composed in here. So that means that obviously you can fit a lot of things in here. Duh. I'm super excited to go on my trip now, and I have way more things to be organized about and way more bags so that I can fit way more stuff in my suitcase. So if you're looking for some packing cubes, these are definitely a good choice. I'm Kinsey, and I'll see you next time.